Alright, what's going on? Welcome back. I'm doing a short little video today, chasing a little tuning issue with the I guess the tipping. So we're gonna get on the highway here, see if we can make it hesitate. I gotta try to see what the air fuel is. Just put a new tune in it. So we're gonna see how it goes. Drove the car around a little bit to get it warmed up. The issue I'm having is when I'm at it, about 3,000 RPM, I'm getting a hell of a hiccup. So we're gonna see what the air fuel goes to. Before that feels way better. I'll show you guys a video of when I did have the hiccup. Now, pretty pumped. Was having an issue data logging problem. When I would data log it, it would show full load before it would show full throttle, I guess, going off of what Matt, the Juggernaut, said. Something, I'm pretty sure it's just the computer in the car. I tried data logging it with just the X4. I tried just data logging it with the X3, and when I tried to do it with the X3, gauges were going crazy. There was communication issues. It did not like it. So for whatever reason, my car does not like to data log. I'm sure I'm not the only one out there, but it is what it is. It's been a rough road, as I've said before, but all in all, I'm very happy. It appears now that the car might be all set 100%. Air fuel on that one I saw go right to 11.3, whereas when I was having the issue I saw it drop to 10.0 and then 10.4 on the next tune, and looks like maybe now Matt got it pretty good, and that's just going off of me telling him what the air fuel goes to immediately without any data logs. So it would appear props to him. He definitely knows what he's doing. I'm hoping to get this thing on a dyno sometime in October. I saw that there's a local dyno day, so I'm gonna try to get there, get a couple pulls, get my sheet hopefully at 400, and that's about it. Just enjoy the car for now until I decide to do something else to it.